Hi, my name is Bill. Welcome to Probability and Statistics for Everyone. This is video number 1, my welcome video, and what I hope will eventually be an entire series on probability and statistics. In this video, I want to briefly introduce myself and give you an idea of why I'm even trying to put a video series together in the first place. So let's get started. More than 25 years ago, I earned a master's degree in statistics. And then for better or for worse, I built an entire successful career without doing very much statistics. I'm retired now, and one of the things I've decided I want to do with my spare time is to reteach myself some of the material that I once knew so well. Now, my original vision for this was I would be doing background research online, I'd be opening up my old textbooks, working problems on scratch pieces of paper, and the only audience I'd be generating any output for was going to be myself. But then I started talking to a good friend of mine about what I was planning on doing, and his response was, "You should make YouTube videos." And my reply to him was, "That's a crazy idea. I know nothing about making videos." But as I thought about it, it occurred to me it was a brilliant idea. Crazy, but brilliant. Brilliant because what I was really trying to do was to teach myself something. In the case of statistics, teach myself something that I had known once. In the case of making videos, here was an opportunity to teach myself something that I knew nothing about. And I started to get excited about the idea. By the way, just as an aside, crazy but brilliant describes my friend, emphasis on crazy. That's for him because I know he's going to watch this. That left me moving past the informal self-directed process that I planned to a process now where I had an audience. I needed to generate polished outputs, probably make them move, and then put a voice over top of it all. And remember, I've never done this before. It was a little overwhelming at first. But I've been slowly learning, and I've been having a lot of fun along the way. My plan is to compose a collection of short videos, one statistics topic at a time, or subtopic at a time, as I review the material from my books. My hope is to eventually assemble a whole video course or curriculum on probability and statistics. One of the things that I've noticed already is that what I choose to study and how I choose to study it is being influenced heavily by, maybe even overwhelmed by the fact that I know that short videos are going to be one of the outcomes of this review process. The first few videos that I'm planning to develop may appear to be jumping around on a classical prob and stats outline, but I have my reasons for starting out this way, as you'll eventually see. One more thing before we wrap this video up. When I talk about probability and statistics for everyone, I do hope to eventually reach everyone. Certainly some of the material is going to be most interesting to people who are studying this formally. But I also want to be able to present information to people who are just dealing with an overwhelming amount of data in their lives. Even if you have the ability to screen it out most of the time, occasionally you're going to have to deal with this topic and the material that's in it. So come join me. Let's see what we can discover together.